Today, we're diving deep into the world of ancient beauty, uncovering the timeless secrets of Egyptian beauty rituals. From Cleopatra to Nefertiti, the ancient Egyptians were known for their stunning looks and sophisticated beauty practices. Let's take a journey back in time and reveal the secrets to their flawless skin, radiant hair, and alluring makeup. When we think of Egyptian beauty, Cleopatra instantly comes to mind. But did you know that many of her beauty secrets are still used today? Cleopatra was known to use natural ingredients to enhance her beauty. One of her favorite beauty rituals was using a face mask made of honey and milk. The honey acted as a natural moisturizer, while the milk's lactic acid gently exfoliated the skin, leaving it soft and radiant. You can easily recreate Cleopatra's mask at home. Just mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 2 tablespoons of milk, apply it to your face, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Another iconic beauty trend from ancient Egypt is the bold, dramatic eye makeup. The Egyptians believed that using kohl eyeliner not only enhanced their eyes but also protected them from the harsh desert sun. The black kohl liner was made from a mixture of ground minerals and oils. It was applied to both the upper and lower eyelids to create that famous almond-shaped eye look. This makeup wasn't just for beauty, it had medicinal and spiritual purposes as well. The Egyptians understood the power of nature in their beauty routines. Oils like almond oil, castor oil, and olive oil were used to moisturize both the skin and hair. They were rich in nutrients, keeping the skin soft and hair shiny and strong. These oils are still popular today and can be used as a natural alternative to modern moisturizers and conditioners. You can warm up a little almond oil and massage it into your skin, or apply a few drops of castor oil to your scalp to promote hair growth. Speaking of Cleopatra, her luxurious beauty baths were legendary. It is said that she bathed in milk and honey, which left her skin glowing and soft. To recreate this at home, simply add a few cups of milk and a few tablespoons of honey to your bath. The lactic acid in the milk will exfoliate your skin, while the honey moisturizes and heals. Henna was not only used as a form of body art, but it was also a beauty treatment for hair. The Egyptians would use henna to color their hair and strengthen it, leaving it healthy and vibrant. Henna is a natural dye that also conditions the hair. To use henna, mix it with water to form a paste, apply it to your hair, and leave it on for a few hours before rinsing. It's a natural way to achieve rich, glossy hair. The Egyptians were also famous for their perfumes. They used fragrance oils made from flowers and herbs, not just to smell good, but as part of their spiritual rituals. Scents like myrrh, frankincense, and lotus were commonly used in their daily routines. You can try using these essential oils today. Myrrh and frankincense are known for their soothing and healing properties. Add a few drops to your bath or use them as a natural perfume for a touch of Egyptian luxury. From luxurious oils to nourishing face masks and henna treatments, the beauty secrets of the ancient Egyptians have truly stood the test of time. By embracing these ancient practices, you can bring a bit of Cleopatra's glow into your modern beauty routine. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these Egyptian beauty secrets, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips from around